Hello friends, I am Onam Sinha. I am doing my BTech at IIT Delhi in Chemical Engineering, and I am going to give the solution of trigonometric function board level and mains level questions. So now let's start. So our first question asks the minimum value of 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Okay. Three cos x plus 4 sin x plus 8. Since we know that if a cos x plus if here is a cos x plus b sin x, then what will be the minimum value of that? It will be minus root of a square plus b square. It equals to minus 5 plus 8 equal to 3. Question number 2. The value of tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. We have to give the solution in multiplication form, which are given in the options. So we have to choose one of the correct options. So we will first simplify this function. Now let's break tan 3a equal to tan 2a plus a. Now can we write tan 2a plus a equal to tan 2a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. Now take tan 2a plus tan a common. Here minus 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So this will again come in form of tan 3a. Okay. And write this at it is. So this is one of the options. So this will be correct. Now question number 3. Cos 2 theta into cos 2 phi plus sin squared theta minus phi minus sin squared theta plus phi. We have to simplify this function. Okay, since we can see that here there are two terms in sin square form and one are 2 theta and 2 phi form. Can we change this in cos theta? We know that 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So we can first change this in the form of cos theta, so that both the terms can be equal and we can further simplify that. So for these we add 1 by 2 and subtract 1 by 2. sorry, we do not need to add and subtract. We can write this 1 minus 2 1 minus cos 2 theta minus phi divided by 2 minus 1 minus cos 2 theta plus phi divided by 2, and here minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will get cancelled. Cos 2 theta cos 2 phi minus cos 2 theta minus phi divided by 2 plus cos 2 theta plus phi divided by 2. Okay, now it is in the form of cos A minus cos B. So what is the formula of cos A minus cos B? We can write it as minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Okay, our A is this and B is this, 2 sin A plus B by 2. When we will add this, then theta 2 theta and sin A minus B 2 phi. Okay, and 2 will get cancelled. Now it is in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we can write it as cos A plus B. Okay. Now question number 4, tan A equal to 1 minus cos B divided by sin B, then 2A equal to B. We have to state whether it's correct or wrong. Write tan A equal to sin A divided by cos A. Now this will get multiplied and this will go multiply this side, so we can further bring it in LHS and we will get plus cos A cos B. Equal to cos A. This is sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. Can we write it as sin A cos A minus B? equal to cos A, and further we can change cos A equal to cos minus A. So equating both side, A minus B equal to minus A, and so we will get minus 2A equal to minus B, or 2A equal to B. Okay, so it is true. Now question number 5, value of sine 10 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 50 degree into sine 70 degree. We have to find the value. Since we know the value of sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, so we do not need to get bother about this term. So we only have sine 10 degree, sine 50 degree and sine 70 degree, whose value we cannot determine. So we have to simplify in the way so that we can easily approach the answer. So first we see that sine 70 degree, okay, so sine 70 degree can be converted into cos 20 degree, and sine 50 degree can be written as cos 40 degree, okay, and it can be written as cos 20 degree. Now there are two terms, cos 20 degree and cos 40 degree, where this is twice that value and this is twice that value. So we only need one cos 10 degree. If we had cos 10 degree here, then we can easily simplify it to sine 20 degree, and then sine 20 cos 20 will become sine 40, and then sine 40 cos 40 will become sine 80 degree. So only we need cos 10 degree. So can we multiply cos 10 degree on denominator and numerator side? So it will become 1 by 2, which is the value of sine 30 degree, and sine 20 degree divided by 2. Since we have to multiply 2 in denominator and numerator side, into cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree and cos 10 degree, okay, 1 by 4. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 into sine 40 degree. Cos 40 degree, okay, and further we can 1 cos 10 degree, 1 by 8 into sine 80 degree divided by 2 into 1 by cos 10 degree, and sine 80 degree can be written as cos 10 degree, so both will get cancel out. We will get only 1 by 16, which is the answer. Oh sorry, this question was numbered 6, this was 5. So we will now solve question 5, okay. We previously had solved question number 6. Now question number 5 says cos x minus sin x into cos 2x minus sin 2x equal to cos x minus 3x, and we have to find the value of x which fulfill this equation, okay, satisfies this equation. Now can we divide both sides by root 2 and multiply by root 2? This will become in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, because root 2 can be written as cos pi by 4. So this will become cos x plus pi by 4, and this can also be written similarly cos 2x plus pi by 4. Okay. Now it is in the form of cos A cos B. So what is the formula of cos A cos B? 2 cos A cos B. Can we write it cos A minus B plus cos A plus B? Okay. So cos A minus B means x plus cos A minus A plus B means pi by 2 plus 3x. Okay. It is cos x and cos pi by 2 plus a. What is cos pi by 2 plus a? It is sin 3x. Okay. So we see that it is correct for it holds for all the values of x. Okay. So x is an element of any real number. Now question number 7. Come to question number 7. We have to simplify it in the form of tan function. So first what we will do, that can we write one as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, because we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, and it is in the form it can be further break into 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so it will become 1 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. Okay. And we have already formula of cos x equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and similarly we write here sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 square plus sin square x by 2. Now this term will get cancelled when you square sin square x, and we will have only cos 2 sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. And in the denominator side this will get cancelled, and we will get only cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now cancel out the common terms. So sin x by 2 is common here and cos x by 2 is common here. 2 sin x by 2, we will have sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2, and here 2 cos x by 2 cos x by 2 Okay, so this will get cancelled. We will only have tan x by 2. Okay. Now question number 8, tan x into tan 60 degree plus x into tan 60 degree minus x. We have to simplify it. Okay. What is tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan 60, what is value of tan 60 degree? Root 3. Okay. So root 3 plus tan x divided by 1 minus root 3 tan x. Root 3 minus tan x divided by 1 plus root 3 tan x. Now we see that here it is root 3 plus tan x and root 3 minus tan x. So it will be 3 minus tan square x. And in denominator side 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x. So it will be 1 minus 3 tan square x. Three tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x, and it is formula of tan 3x. Okay.